Let's do some makeup together. I already prepped my face. I used the No Pore Blend Primer by Touch in Sol. For moisturizer, I used the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And then, what else did I do? Oh, I went in with this I don't know how to say this, but this was all over the freaking internet. So I used that for my foundation. Then I went in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow contour wand. Didn't feel like that was tan enough, so I went in with my NYX Wonder Stick and just blended it a little bit better. For my brush, I used the IT Cosmetics All Over and Conceal brush. Oh, I don't know what anything is called. And then I also use this brush. I got this off of TikTok Shop, and it came in a little kit with like a bunch of brushes. And yeah, now we are moving on to blush. Oh heck, I used my e.l.f. Camo Concealer too. I am gonna use something different. I'm gonna go in with the Iconic London. It's this really like pinky shade. So I don't know how pigmented this is. Oh, well, we're just gonna make it work. We're just gonna make it work. We're just gonna make it work. Okay, why do I feel like you can't really see that? You can't really see that, can you? This is why we don't shy away from Rare Beauty. So on top, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty in Happy. And then just blend it out. I don't have anything to do today. I just feel like I need a little makeup therapy, if you know what I mean. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is that new laminating gel, and I'm just gonna brush up my brows. Same thing on the other side, just brush them up. Then I think you're supposed to comb them up with the comb. And then use the brush. Oops. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I got my eyebrows microbladed last year, so I don't really do too much with my brows because they're basically done, and I don't really know how to do brows, so. Oh, frick. I don't really need much over here. I don't really know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. I am just not in the mood today. What the heck? I kind of slept like shit last night. I worked my bartending job and I got home kind of late and then I couldn't fall asleep. Next, I'm going in with the Infallible Brows. This is a different applicator because the other one was a little too, the one it came with was like a little too harsh. And this is pretty dark, so I have to be really light-handed with this. Oh my god, am I making it worse? Am I making it worse? I don't know. Am I? Did I? So much dark. That's super dark, so I'm just gonna brush through this with my spoolie. Did I fuck it up? I literally have no idea. Did I? They look super dark, and the tail on this, I need to extend her. I don't know, did I make it worse? L'Oreal Telescopic, of course. I feel like once I do my lashes, the brows won't seem so dramatic. I mean, I could be wrong, but I say it every time I use it, but this is literally the best mascara that I have ever used. So good. It is so freaking good. It just really separates the, oh, It really separates the lashes. I love it so much. Then I always layer. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. This has been out forever, but it's really good. My energy is just not here today. We're just doing this for the therapy, so I don't know. Am I boring? I feel boring today anyways. I don't know where my sense of humor is. It's taking a nap, I suppose. What do we think? Still fucking around. I'm going to use Lash Paradise on the bottom lashes. This usually bleeds for me, but I'm not going anywhere. This is just for funsies. So to be honest, I'm probably gonna take it off after I make this video anyways, because I'm just doing laundry today. I'm not really doing anything else. Next, I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill Romance palette. I'm going to be bold today. Let me just live. What am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna use Boudoir. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Put it on the back of my hand because I know this is gonna be pigmented. Oh yeah. It's pretty though. I like it. Just taking my sponge and blending it out. Next, I'm going in with my Lorac Contour Pro palette. I mix the light shade and the medium shade. I've had this forever. I probably should get a new one. That's how long I've had it. But I'm just gonna warm up the face. Why do I always do that with my hand? I don't know. Doing a final blend. I'm not gonna use setting spray because, again, not going anywhere. Then I'm gonna take the darkest shade in this palette and put it in my crease. Again, don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing. What? Oh my god. What the heck is happening here? Okay, this is the final look. What do we think? I actually think it came out okay. All right, bye.